Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Fun Science Demos. We are back with another science scavenger hunt where we use materials most people should have at home, things like a trash bag and an old macaroni and cheese box, and we show you some science that's at work. But instead of explaining that science, we encourage you to jump online and see if you can find the answer out for yourself. Find out what's going on and what's the science behind what we show you. Today, you're going to need a trash bag, any trash bag should do, and some kind of cardboard food box. Here, I'm going to be using a macaroni and cheese box. Something like this would work as well. This is some kind of pizza box for frozen pizza. Well, if I took this garbage bag and I tried to blow it up, how many breaths do you think it'll take for me to blow up this entire bag? Well, let's get all the air out and let's give it a shot. Here we go. That took me about 16 breaths to inflate this garbage bag to its max. Well, now we're gonna try and inflate this garbage bag with only one breath using this cardboard macaroni and cheese box. Now to do this, I wanna gather the opening of the bag around the bottom of the box. I don't wanna just wrap it. I wanna bunch the bag up around the opening so that the bag still stays open and I can blow through the box, hold it up, and now I should be able to blow through that. I'm going to hold the box down about at my waist, and I'm going to blow one steady stream right through that cardboard box into the bag, and let's see what happens. Here we go. Close the bag. And as you can see, in one breath, I was able to inflate the garbage bag. So what's the science at work? Why, when I used this cardboard box, was I able to inflate and blow up this bag in one breath when before it took me 16 breaths to blow up this garbage bag? Something's got to be going on, and it's your job to figure out what it is. Now I'll give you a hint on this one. You may want to check out some of our science videos on our YouTube channel, Fun Science Demos, and focus on a guy named Bernoulli. You may also want to check out some of our videos on high pressure and low pressure. That's another hint. Once you think you found the answer, remember to post them in the comments below. Don't forget to tell your friends and your teachers about our science scavenger hunts here at Fun Science Demos. Who would have thought you could find science in a trash bag? Happy hunting.